where the main basin should go.
Okay, I agree. Let's start measuring from this corner here.
Extend the tape another 3 feet past that stake. Right here? Yeah, follow the blueprint exactly. Yeah, that looks perfect.
Underlayment, carefully smoothing it over the contours of the excavation to protect the liner.
I've got this corner, pull yours tight. Okay, settling it into the basin now. All right, push it into that shelf. Got it. Need more tension on this edge? Just a little, smooth out that wrinkle. Drain is secure and the solvent weld is holding strong. Looks good from here. We're ready for the next phase. Tap it down just a hair on the left. Okay, pipe secure, looks solid. That adjustment worked. It's running smooth. Yeah, couldn't be better.